Hey, good afternoon. Bob Trade Genius, the 5th of July. And I just want to point out a few charts today. I think it's really pointless to go through a whole bunch of charts. I think the market really is getting macro here. And I think I want to title this thing the Metronome Market. I mean, just look at this thing. Ever since the middle of June, we've been in like a metronome, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and I think they're trying to get this gap filled here, and about 27.45 on ES. There's another one up higher, but I don't know if they're going to get there. And if you recall earlier videos I've done, is that the back half of the month have been selling off, front half of the month they've been trying to get it to move higher, and we're now overbought again. Okay, and we also have money flow is really just been is almost maxed out now too. And so today was a weird day. Mixed bag for me. Excuse me. Miners did well. My SPY and my Q puts obviously did not, and we got chopped up in the binary trades today. With that sell-off, they got bought back twice. So those things happen. 19-4, and so we'll hit it again hard tomorrow on that. But I think what's going to happen here is I think they're going to try to make a play for the VWAP, and then I'm going to look for it to start selling off again. This could have been a push to get out in front of maybe the tariff news. If they're dovish tomorrow, then I think we rocket higher, and I'll just have to adjust my approach. But this is SPY right now, and here's Q, and Q looks the same way. I mean, it's identical. So there's obviously just mechanical trading going on right now, and I think they're waiting for some sort of catalyst one way or the other. Looking at BXX, I've just been staying away from it because it's just been so darn choppy, and it's above the VWAP, but it's also climbing up here to the end too. So I won't be afraid to put on some VXX puts here if I need to, but right now I'm in no big rush until I see this a rollover. I mean, look at this is momentum. You know, the bid ask isn't there, which you'd expect because it's always hard, but the buying pressure is hidden, and it just keeps me from wanting to go ahead and buy puts because I'm afraid that this market's going to reverse hard on me. On the metal side, is gold is just doing pretty well here. Gapped up here on Tuesday, and it has kept going. Usually the day before the payroll report, it rolls over, but this time it did not, and so it's holding. So keep an eye on that. And then GDX is doing well, and it's still rising. I get a little worried here that maybe some of the momentum's coming off, but this is embedded, and when this is embedded, then you just stay with the trade. And GDXJ is the same, so looks good. And then my big position for the miners is AG is great. Hekla's coming back to life here. DRD's coming back to life as well, and so I think we're okay on the miner side of things. And let's see if I can show you any more thing. One thing that, as a small caps, if we do get in a trade war, this is might be the where they hedge it. So they may be hedging SPY and Qs being weak and go for the IWM. And XME though, I wonder who's going to win the war here between the industrial metals and the commodity metals here, because copper's not looking so good. So, but anyway, I just wanted to point these things out to you. I think it's we're in dangerous turf here, and there's huge amounts of quantitative tightening coming, liquidity drying up. The Swiss are leaving. They start reducing their balance sheet, and the Japanese announced the same. And so I think you're going to get increasing pressure on the stock market from here on out. So I think we'll see these squeezes, and they'll exhaust themselves, and we just got to be in position to take profit on these downdrafts and let them squeeze it again. This looks awfully a lot like 2007, 2008 to me. So hang on. Talk to you later. Bye bye.